Are you struggling to achieve financial freedom? You might be falling for some common myths that are holding you back. These myths can be sneaky. They sound like common sense, but they can sabotage your financial goals. In this video, we'll debunk some of the most pervasive financial freedom myths. We'll break them down, look at the reality, and I'll give you actionable advice on how to actually build wealth. So, if you're ready to stop making excuses and start building your path to financial freedom, stick around. Okay, let's tackle this myth head on. You need a high income to achieve financial freedom. It's a common belief, but is it really true? Look, it's easy to think that making a ton of money is the key. After all, more money should mean more freedom, right? You see these people on Instagram, flashing cash, driving fancy cars, and you think, that's it. I need to make that much. They seem to have it all. But honestly, that's just noise. Financial freedom isn't about how much you make, it's about how much you keep, and more importantly, what you do with it. It's about smart financial choices. I've met people making six figures who are drowning in debt because they think a high income means they can spend like crazy. They fall into the trap of lifestyle inflation. They're stuck in the paycheck to paycheck cycle, just on a higher level. It's a vicious cycle that doesn't end with a bigger paycheck. Then, you have those who might not be making as much, but they're smart. They understand the value of every dollar. They live below their means, they invest consistently, and they build wealth over time. It's a slow and steady approach that pays off. Take a look at someone like Mr. Money Mustache. He retired in his 30s, not on a CEO salary but by living frugally and investing wisely. His story is a testament to smart financial planning. It's not about the high income, it's about the high financial IQ. Educating yourself financially is key. So, don't get caught up in the need to earn more trap. It's a distraction from what really matters. Focus on what you can control, your spending, your saving, and your investing habits. These are the true pillars of financial freedom. Let's talk about another myth that keeps people from reaching their full financial potential. Investing is too risky. Now, I get it. The stock market can seem like a scary roller coaster, and no one wants to lose their hard-earned money. The fear of the unknown can be paralyzing, and the thought of seeing your savings diminish can be daunting. But let me tell you, not investing is way riskier in the long run. By avoiding investments, you miss out on the potential for your money to grow and work for you. Think about it. Inflation is constantly eating away at the value of your money. Every year, the purchasing power of your cash decreases, meaning you can buy less with the same amount of money. If you just keep your cash sitting in a savings account, it's actually losing purchasing power over time. The interest rates on savings accounts are often lower than the rate of inflation. Investing is how you fight back against inflation and grow your wealth. By putting your money into assets that have the potential to appreciate, you can outpace inflation and increase your net worth. But I'm not saying to just throw your money into any random stock and hope for the best. That would be reckless and could lead to significant losses. Smart investing is about diversification, it's about doing your research, and it's about taking a long-term approach. Diversification helps spread risk across different assets, reducing the impact of any single investment's poor performance. Consider index funds. They're like baskets of stocks that track the overall market, which historically trends upwards over the long term. They offer a simple and effective way to diversify your investments. They're a great way to diversify your portfolio and reduce risk. Remember, knowledge is power. The more informed you are, the better decisions you can make. The more you learn about investing, the more confident and comfortable you'll become. Education is key to overcoming the fear of investing. There are tons of resources out there, books, websites, even YouTube channels that can teach you the ropes. Take advantage of these resources to build your knowledge and confidence in investing. Myth number 3, saving every penny? Live a little. This next myth might sound counterintuitive, but hear me out, you need to save every penny. Now, don't get me wrong, saving is crucial for financial freedom. But there's a difference between being financially responsible and living like a monk. If you're constantly depriving yourself and never allowing yourself to enjoy the fruits of your labor, you're going to burn out. And that's a recipe for disaster because you'll likely end up going on a spending spree and undoing all your hard work. It's all about finding a balance. Create a budget that allows you to save a good chunk of your income, but also allocate some funds for things you enjoy. Maybe it's traveling, dining out, or buying that new gadget you've been eyeing. Remember, life is meant to be lived. Financial freedom is about having choices, and that includes choosing to spend on things that bring you joy and make life meaningful. The key is to be mindful and intentional with your spending. Myth number 4, Debt equals financial ruin? Not so fast. Let's talk about the dreaded D word, debt. It's a term that often sends shivers down our spines and makes us think of financial disaster. The myth that debt is always bad is deeply ingrained in our society, but it's not always the case. In fact, debt can be a powerful tool if used wisely. There's a big difference between good debt and bad debt. Understanding this distinction is crucial for your financial health. Bad debt is what I like to call consumer debt. It's the kind of debt that can quickly become a burden. It's the kind of debt you rack up by buying things you don't need with money you don't have to impress people you don't even like. Think about those impulse buys that seem harmless but add up over time. Think credit card debt from impulse purchases or high-interest loans for depreciating assets. These are the kinds of debts that can spiral out of control and keep you trapped in a cycle of payments, making it hard to get ahead. This kind of debt can spiral out of control and keep you trapped in a cycle of payments. It can feel like you're constantly treading water, never making any real progress. Good debt, on the other hand, is debt that can actually help you build wealth. It's an investment in your future. This could be an investment property that generates rental income, providing you with a steady stream of cash flow. Or a business loan to start a company, giving you the capital needed to turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality. Or even a student loan for an education that will increase your earning potential. Education is an investment in yourself that can pay off in the long run. The key is to be strategic about debt. Use it as a tool to achieve your financial goals, not as a crutch. Don't be afraid to use it to your advantage, but always have a solid plan for repayment. Make sure you know exactly how you'll pay it back, but always have a solid plan for repayment and make sure the potential returns outweigh the interest costs. This way, you can leverage debt to build a brighter financial future, and make sure the potential returns outweigh the interest costs. By being mindful and strategic, you can turn debt from a potential pitfall into a powerful ally in your financial journey. Myth number 5. Financial freedom? There's an app for that. And finally, let's address the myth that's often perpetuated by those get-rich-quick schemes. You can achieve financial freedom quickly. Look, I'm all for being ambitious and setting big goals, but when it comes to building wealth, slow and steady wins the race. There's no magic button, secret formula, or overnight solution. Financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, discipline, and consistency. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Remember, even the biggest empires were built brick by brick. Focus on making small, sustainable changes to your financial habits. Invest consistently, even if it's just a small amount each month. The power of compound interest will work its magic over time. Celebrate your progress along the way. Every step you take towards financial freedom is a victory. And remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. Outro, you got this. So there you have it. Don't let these myths hold you back from achieving financial freedom. Remember, it's not about how much you earn, it's about how you manage what you have. Invest wisely, be smart with your debt, and enjoy the journey. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on achieving financial freedom. Remember, financial freedom is a journey, and with the right mindset and strategies, you can get there.